Transmission types, which is right for you. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of car transmission systems. Understanding the types of transmission systems can help you make informed decisions about your vehicle. So, let's get started. Manual transmission. First up, we have the manual transmission, also known as a stick shift. This type of transmission requires the driver to manually shift gears using a clutch and gear stick. Components. Clutch pedal disengages the engine from the transmission. Gear stick selects the desired gear. How it works. In a manual transmission, the driver uses the clutch pedal to disengage the engine from the transmission. The gear stick is then used to select the appropriate gear. Releasing the clutch pedal re-engages the engine, and the car moves accordingly. Advantages. Fuel efficiency, generally more fuel efficient. Driver control, greater control over the vehicle. Disadvantages. Learning curve, can be difficult to learn for beginners. Convenience, less convenient in heavy traffic. Automatic transmission. Next, we have the automatic transmission. Unlike manual transmissions, automatic transmissions shift gears on their own, without driver intervention. Components. Torque converter connects the engine to the transmission. Planetary gusset provides different gear ratios. Hydraulic system controls gear shifts. How it works. In an automatic transmission, the torque converter connects the engine to the transmission and allows the car to come to a stop without stalling. The planetary gusset provides different gear ratios, and the hydraulic system controls gear shifts based on the car's speed and load. Advantages. Ease of use, easier to drive, especially in heavy traffic. Convenience, no need to manually shift gears. Disadvantages. Fuel efficiency, generally less fuel efficient than manual transmissions. Complexity, more complex and can be more expensive to repair. Continuously variable transmission (CVT). Moving on, we have the continuously variable transmission, or CVT. This type of transmission offers a smooth driving experience by providing a seamless range of gear ratios. Components. Belt and pulley system adjusts the gear ratio continuously. Microprocessor controls the system based on driving conditions. How it works. A CVT uses a belt and pulley system to provide an infinite number of gear ratios, rather than fixed gears. This allows the engine to operate at its most efficient RPM for a range of speeds, leading to smoother acceleration. Advantages. Fuel efficiency, often more fuel efficient. Smooth driving, provides a smooth and seamless driving experience. Disadvantages. Driving feel. Some drivers may not like the lack of gear changes. Durability, can be less durable under heavy loads. Dual clutch transmission (DCT). Next we have the dual clutch transmission, or DCT. This type of transmission combines the benefits of manual and automatic transmissions. 2 clutches, 1 for odd gears, 1 for even gears. Electronic Control Unit (ECU) manages gear changes. How it works. A DCT uses 2 clutches to pre-select the next gear, allowing for lightning-fast gear changes without interrupting power flow. 1 clutch handles the odd gears, while the other handles the even gears. Advantages. Performance, fast and smooth gear changes. Efficiency, can be more fuel efficient than traditional automatics. Disadvantages. Complexity, more complex and can be more expensive to repair. Cost, typically found in higher-end vehicles, making them more expensive. Semi-automatic transmission. Finally, we have the semi-automatic transmission. This system blends manual and automatic transmission features, allowing drivers to switch between manual and automatic modes. Components. Automated clutch manages clutch engagement electronically. Paddle shifters allows manual gear changes without a clutch pedal. How it works. A semi-automatic transmission uses an automated clutch and paddle shifters to allow manual gear changes without the need for a clutch pedal. The driver can switch between fully automatic mode and manual mode, depending on their preference. Advantages. Versatility, offers both manual and automatic driving experiences. Convenience, easier to use than a full manual transmission. Disadvantages. Complexity, can be complex and more expensive to repair. Driving feel, may not provide the same level of control as a full manual transmission. There you have it. The different types of transmission systems in cars, each with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. Whether you prefer the control of a manual, the convenience of an automatic, the efficiency of a CVT, the performance of a DCT, or the versatility of a semi-automatic, there's a transmission system out there to suit your needs. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more automotive tips and tricks. Don't forget to leave a comment below if you have any questions.